welcome to this video. In this video, we'll go through the 2019 May SAT exam, section 4, question 31. So this question, it's a little bit wordy, so you might want to pause the video and read through the question. Assuming that you have finished reading the question, let's go ahead. Now, I'm going to highlight a couple very important information. First, okay, which is this one right here. The density, which is 0.555 ounce per cubic inch. And then we have the price, which is $8 per ounce. All right. Now, what's the question asking? The question is asking us to calculate the price per cubic inch. What's the price in dollars per cubic inch? So we would like the unit to be in dollars per cubic inch. But the starting unit that we have, based on the question, is dollars per ounce. Okay, so it's $8 per ounce. How can we change the unit so that it's still dollars in the numerator, but the denominator changes to inches, cubic inches? Okay, how do we do that? Now, this is a very typical unit conversion question, and the way we do it is that we multiply by what we call a conversion factor. And the way we decide is to have an item, okay, a fraction that involves both ounce and cubic inch together in this conversion factor, okay, which is a fraction. So, hey, look at here, density. You see the ounce right here? You see the cubic inch right here? That works perfectly. So now, how are we going to place this number here? Because we do not want to see ounce, okay? So we would have to put the ounce in the diagonal position. And there's a number that is placed in front of the ounce. So we say 0.555 ounce in the numerator. And it's per cubic inch. That means it's per 1 cubic inch. Right here. And by doing so, you can see the ounces will get canceled out because they're in diagonal position, one in the numerator, one in the denominator. So they are dividing, so they are canceled. So you have $8 times 0.555 to get you the unit of dollars per cubic inch. So you can use your calculator and find out what it is. And you should get 4.44 as the answer. So what you do is to write down 4.44 as the answer, and you would bubble in 4.44 as the answer right here. Okay, so it's not really difficult. I hope you have done some kind of unit conversion in school already, and if not, just make sure that whenever you change unit, there should be some sort of conversion factor being available to you in the question, and you just make sure that you place the units correctly so that they will get canceled out and you would have the units that you want. Now, in case you are a little bit confused about how the ounces are being canceled out, the way they are canceled out is simply like how you have this kind of setting right here. So if you think about 2 over 5 times 15 over 4, you would know that, hey, the 5 and 15, they can simplify each other. The 4 and the 2, they can simplify each other because they're dividing. It is exactly the same concept because the ounces are the same. That's why they canceled out each other entirely. Okay, so we have just 1 and 1 on the side. So just example of unit conversion. I'm not seeing a lot on the SAT, but just be prepared. Be prepared for this kind of question on your upcoming SAT exam.
Do you want some extra credit? If you do, subscribe our channel. I promise you will learn a lot more and get extra credit from that. If you have any question, please make sure that you email us at goodacademics@gmail.com. If you have any question in math, science, or education, just send them in and we will do our very best to resolve your problems. And I thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you will continue to learn a lot more through our channel. See you soon.